Hey Boos!
Hey Boos!
Want to see why we look like this? Stay tuned for the next episode of Booze Cruise Halloween Edition!
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Hi Boos!
Hi Boos! Hello!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
So we are filming this from our phone because we are going to take you with us a little bit, just like a small snippet, with us on...
Of the, well, I guess it's called the Los Angeles Halloween Parade.
Yes.
Even though it's more like a walk. But we're going to take you to West Hollywood with us, and we're going to see lots of costumes.
Yeah, we
you get
are.
to follow us around with our new friends. We're going to meet new friends of ours.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and it's going to be fun.
And we, in case you haven't guessed, are Genie and...
Aladdin!
Aladdin!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this ponytail. Oh Lord.
Look at that. Come on, weave.
I made it.
It's a quick weave.
It's a quick weave. It's super glued to my head.
And come on, wig. Yeah. I didn't make this.
Look at this. No, but look
This
how
is the part-
luxurious.
Yes, come through. Yeah.
Oh. All right, we love you. We'll
Just
break
for
you
me.
with us. Little. I don't know how much I can film because it's on my phone. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
All right, everyone. We made it to West Hollywood.
West Hollywood, y'all. We're
The
here.
Genie and Aladdin. And guys, look. Say hi, Michael. Say hi, Lauren.
Hi.
Look, we have some amazing Jedi with us. Their
The
costumes
Jedis.
are
Love the
on
costumes.
point. So we are headed to where the festivities are. We parked a little bit far, but that's what you have to do.
Everyone
it's
does
so
that
busy.
Here. You have to.
Look at this. Look at this. They got Bentleys. All right, we have. Guys, look. We just did a whole photo shoot. Right
Wait.
So, if you don't like crowds, this is not for you. But the costumes are so awesome. And look at the round, look at that wig.
Yeah. It's in my face.
So guys, we just came up at Catch 21. Look at this rooftop. It's gorgeous. Babe, say hi. Babe, look.
What?
I'm telling you, I'm saying how pretty it is
Oh,
up here.
it's
It's stunning. So this is Catch 20, Catch LA, there's not Catch 20.
No,
No, it's just Catch LA. This is the rooftop that they covered. Anyway,
pretty nice.
maybe
I
we
like
should
this.
flip it around.
Look at it around.
Alright guys, look, we are on the rooftop. Is up here. Oh, the menu, in case you ever come here. You can pause it there's hand rolls, there's hot stuff, there's, oh my goodness, all kind of stuff. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little dark in here, but signature vegan. Just pause it if you have any. There you go. Oh, and the raw bar and cold. Babe. Listen, I almost caught my ponytail
It's already started.
up here. See that heat? My ponytail almost caught a blaze, and you know it's synthetic. I would have gone up, not gonna lie. Okay, guys, our crispy chicken has arrived, and look how pretty it is. It's crispy and it's chicken, and there's root vegetables, and he has crispy chicken.
We got the same thing, you guys. Usually we get separate things, but we got the same thing this time.
No, we got the same thing this time.
We usually
He
get
doesn't
separate
like
things.
a breast, which is weird.
I don't like a breast, but I like chicken.
But he likes dark meat.
I don't like lobster.
But I like the white meat, so that's why we work. Because I take his white meat and he takes his dark meat. It's like people like who like the lemon
I really don't.
and orange
We have a-
starburst,
we
but
have
I like
an
the red and
audience.
pink starburst.
Audience.
So together we work.
Do we? Yes, we do. I'm nervous.
This is you're nervous.
Everyone's looking at it. Come on.
So this is the lush lemonade. This is delicious. Get this.
This is how we do the videos. He's like all
Get
happy
this.
and go lucky. And I'm
So
all
they
cynical
got,
and like, nah.
these are their sides. Their porterhouse and come. They got a porterhouse for two. This is
Our
cashew sweet potato. Love sweet potatoes. Very healthy. It's a complex carb. And
What
this
is
is
that?
what the hell is
mountain of-
that?
This is
Volcano.
it's some kind of squash. It's like a.
Oh, the roast, the squash. Oh, here we go. Here's the porterhouse for two.
This is a real one right here.
Oh, that's pretty. That's amazing. But they got it medium well.
You can take a picture if you want to. Come over here. Yeah.
All right, guys.
Hey,
We finally made it home.
we're not that tired.
I'm a little tired. It's 1:30 in the morning.
We're not that. All we did was we walked for 30 minutes and then we ate for like 3 hours. But
Yes. But
it was fun.
it was
I had a good
super
time.
fun. I'm the regular color again. It's 1:30 in the
How long were
morning.
you in the shower getting that off?
A while. And like literally it was in my nose because I sprayed it up because I didn't want to. The worst thing is when you see little details, like you can't, like the tip of someone's nose isn't done or their ears or whatever. So I
It was
like
a spray
shot it up.
It
my
was
nose.
a body spray that he sprayed over his face.
That was the base coat.
It was a base coat, yeah.
And then I went back over with a cream paint.
Yeah.
And then contoured with a blue shadow powder and then highlighted with another cream and then glitter. So
We should have gave you guys
a tutorial.
a tutorial.
I don't think I've ever taken
It was rushing.
It was so weird because when we were eating
I don't know why we were
dinner,
rushing.
we were rushing. I don't know. I know, but
we had all day. But anyway.
but it was very weird. Like at dinner, I was like, "This must be what it feels like to be like a celebrity," because we could not eat. Like literally, there were people at the next table that
Yeah.
were like, "Oh my god." Oh my god. And I was like, and I literally was like, do you want me to take a picture? And so I like got up and like got them and took a picture. And then the other people at the table beside us were like, can we like, but they wouldn't say it.
Yeah, people are just sneaking pictures. Stuff like I think it'll be a video on there where you see me like, just want to take the picture.
Yeah.
We'll come take a picture with you. But anyways, like it was a lot of great costumes too.
So many
and
amazing costumes.
we didn't get enough on camera, but
No.
we were just
But we're
trying
also
to
doing it on
enjoy
the phone.
ourselves.
Yeah.
We're doing it on our phone, but we had a great night.
Amazing. Hopefully you guys got to see some of the cool things. And again, we just wanted to kind of take you along with us and turn on the phone, the camera, and take you along with
Right.
us.
We're trying to give you something before the cruise in a week and a half.
Yes, I'm so
So that's in a
excited.
week and a half. So you have the Halloween footage. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it.
Yes.
We had a great time.
Loved it.
And
Hopefully you
we're
guys had
putting
a
our
happy Halloween.
costumes in the vault now,
Yes.
along with the rest of our old costumes.
Costume,
It
the
was
wig
fun.
vault, it's all
Yeah.
there. Right now we are just gonna watch some TV until we go to sleep because I work in the morning
It
and
works in about I don't watch.
I don't even know.
but
It's only
in a
several
few
hours.
hours.
We love you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's at Booze Cruise, at BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it. In case you haven't already, go on over to actingashley.etsy.com. I know a few of you have, and put in the code Booze Cruise to get 10% off your very own door tag. I love ours. I'm so excited. Until next time.
Until next time.
We love you.
My arm hurts.
I know. But this is like lighting because
We
it's
have no
dark.
lighting in here.
Oh my gosh.
Our light is broken.
This is not a set. All right, we love you. Goodbye.
Bye.